OBS Studio. Just I install in my Mac Mini OBS Studio. So now I am check the video actually captured or not. So I am opening the Google and speed test, just doing speed test. It is good in Google server is very good. So I am checking the Google speed. Now you can see that OBS Studio is running in bottom portion. So my internet speed is 100 Mbps. Now it's very good ping, just 4 millisecond, jitter 1 ms, download speed 94 Mbps. Actually it is my 100 Mbps plan and it's costing only 5848 rupees per month. It's Railtel Corporation of India. So you can see that my internet speed is very good. It is located in Assam. So as per location it is very good speed. Now I want to check whether it is capture or not in my OBS Studio. So I stop the studio and upload it YouTube. So if you feel, if you unable to install OBS Studio in your laptop Mac, so contact me, I can help you. Thank you.